Hello explorers, today we're going to go exploring around the riverfront here in Malacca. So let's go and explore. This is where we are going to start the walk. You can see it's a little bit overcast today, but never mind. This is one of the entrances to Chinatown, so I'm going to be exploring the streets around there very soon. As we go on this walk, you'll start to see the different mix of architecture. You can see here we've got a very typical Malaysian building with a metal roof. What I discovered yesterday is that the river runs for 10k. At this point, I think I'm on the wrong side of the river because I can see a dead end up here. I think we might have to cross over. I am planning to go on one of these river cruises later in the week. I didn't have to cross over though, the path does follow this route around here, so we're good to go, let's explore. Well, we've got some interesting street art around here. I love street art. The area we're at the moment is called Java Street. Quite a colourful building here. I've decided to stay on the same side though and then walk down here and cross over at some point, just so you get both sides of the riverfront. These damn trees are blocking the view. We'll get a bit closer up, but some creative stuff going on down here. And yes, would you believe somebody actually lives in this? Just look at this artwork. And this runs literally all the way along the river here. Give me something like this to explore. Oh, I love it. Much prefer coming to places like this than exploring busy tourist attractions. And the design on these houses looks very Chinese. I can see the Chinese dragon there. Not too sure if these are little cafes or restaurants. There's a few people mulling around. All tourists with cameras like me. That was quite funny. Guy taking a video of me videoing him. This is Darren's type of exploring. Loving it. You know, yesterday doing the travel guide, I didn't really enjoy creating that video. It was just so busy, so crowded. But today, loving it. I was going to walk over that bridge and I thought, no, I'm enjoying this that much that I'm going to continue to walk. When I saw the weather this morning, I nearly didn't come out, but I'm so glad that I did. These bridges look really unique. The only time I've really seen anything like this has been in Venice. Okay, I'm getting a few funny looks from the locals. I'm assuming that I'm out of the tourist zone now. There's street art everywhere. Just walked past a few bars, but they're all closed, which is a little bit annoying. I would have liked a beer next to the river. You can always tell a place when it's popular with locals. Food from here smells delicious. If I hadn't already eaten my nasi lemak for the day, I would have gone here. Good mix of old and new here. These apartments look really cool. If you have enjoyed this walk, please do give the video a thumbs up. By the way, the video isn't at an end. I'm just reminding you, please do thumbs up the videos. But aside from the thumbs up, please do comment. I've noticed the last couple of videos I haven't got many comments, and I love creating comments to generate discussion. So let me ask you a question. Where is your favourite place to go walking and why? Well, explorers, I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, like I said, please do give it a thumbs up and leave any comments down below, and I will obviously answer them as I always do. If you are new to this channel, hit on that subscribe button, because we've got so much more exploring to do in 2018. Yes, the exploring continues.